2018 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.